Bitcoin. It's the word on everyone's lips, a digital gold rush. Can you become a billionaire with it? Well, it's happened before, but it's not easy. It's about understanding the game and playing it smart. That's where Binance comes in. It's like the stock market, but for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You buy low, sell high, and hopefully, watch your money grow. But like any investment, there are risks. Don't go putting your life savings into Bitcoin. Start small, learn the ropes, and always be ready for the market to go up and down. This guide, it's your first step into the world of Bitcoin on Binance. First things first, you need a Binance account. It's free and easy to set up. Go to the Binance website and look for the register button. They'll ask for your email and you'll create a strong password. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard. Think of this as your trading command center. You'll see charts, prices, and all the tools you need to buy and sell. But before you start trading, you need to verify your identity. This is for your safety and helps prevent fraud. Binance will ask for some personal information and may require a photo ID. Verification might seem like a hassle, but it's crucial. It protects you and your investments. Binance uses this process to make sure you are who you say you are. Once you're verified, set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the code from your phone. Think of 2FA like a bodyguard for your Bitcoin. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. With your account secure, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Go to the Buy Crypto section on Binance. Choose your payment method, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, and confirm the transaction. Now you're officially a Bitcoin holder. But remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to become a billionaire overnight. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of Bitcoin is exciting, but it's important to approach it with caution and a level head. Good luck and happy trading.